Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you very important components to polynomial functions, and a question like this could be found in Algebra 2 classes, pre-cal classes, sometimes even in the beginning of trig classes. So beginning with, we have this polynomial function right here. We're just going to start out by finding what the x-intercept is. The x-intercept, teach you a way how to find it just by looking at it. X-intercept is, we have more than one in this case. Treat this parentheses as finding an x-intercept from here, and we're going to find another x-intercept from this parentheses. Right here we set x minus 7 is equal to 0, x minus 7 equals 0, and then x is going to equal to 7. So that's our first 0. This is our first 0. And our second 0, derived from this, is going to be negative 3, because when we set x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is going to be equal to negative 3. So these are our two zeros, 7 and negative 3. And another important factor to this would be finding the multiplicity. Multiplicity is you take the, just by looking at the exponent of the parentheses where the 0 is found in. So obviously there is no exponent here, but we know it's 1. Right here it's 2. So multiplicity of 7 is going to be 1. This has a 1 right here. And multiplicity of negative 3 is 2, as we see right here. And another important factor is finding whether the graph touches the x-intercept or it crosses it. Easy way to find this is if the exponent is even, that means it touches. If the exponent, if it's odd, the exponent is odd, it's going to cross. So right here, 1 is an odd number, that means it's going to cross at this x-intercept. And right here, we have 2, which is even, so it's going to touch at this x-intercept. And another way to find the now I'm going to show you how to find the maximum number of turning points. Maximum number of turning points is when you're going to multiply this out to what exponent what's the greatest exponent x is going to have after multiplying it all out. As we could see from this right here, we'd get x squared because of 2 right here. And then from this right here, just going to get an x to the 1, just x. And then once we multiply them together, we add these exponents, and we're going to get x to the 3. And when finding the maximum number of turning points, we subtract this greatest by 1, and we're going to have 2. So that's our maximum number of turning points. And these are the fundamentals of polynomial functions, and very common in quizzes and tests.